Hey YouTube, today we're replacing rear shocks on a 2010 Ford Focus. We have the car here. Some of the tools that you're going to need to start with is a pair of vice grips, a 13mm wrench to get the bolt off the top and inside the trunk, which you can see here, 19mm to get the lug nuts off the tires, and a 15mm wrench or socket to get the mounting bolt off the bottom of the shock. So as you can see, removal of the shocks is pretty simple, self-explanatory. To reinstall, simply reverse the procedure. Be sure that when you take the old shocks out, you remove the dust boot. Take the dust boot off the old one, put it on the new one because it's probably not going to come with it. And the mount on the top inside the truck, or the bolt, you're going to need to swap that out as well.